Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing from Bernie. I'd like to thank my friend over at the Watch Wit channel for introducing me to this company. So I'll leave a link in the description to his channel. Go check him out. Very good videos over there at the Watch Wit channel. Let's get this thing open. These guys have quite a few different watches on offer. This came from their Amazon account. There's a bunch of watches that they offer on Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description to this watch as well. Let's get this out of here. Nice compact packaging here for sure. Okay, it says Bernie. I'm not sure what this here says. Looks like a gold box. Sleeves on here pretty tight. I could almost just rip it off, but I don't really want to rip it. There we go. Witness your legend. Alright, so fairly simple packaging here. Nothing wrong with that. You have an instruction manual. There's a website right there. Bernywatch.com or bernygroup.com. Service center in China. Looks like you can WeChat with them or send them an email or give them a phone call. Yeah, so there was a manual. I really don't, never really read those things. So this watch is kind of a Aquaterra type style watch, Omega Aquaterra. Very similar to that. So the movement's already going. I believe this uses Chinese mechanical movement. I'll need to look that up for the full presentation video. Oh man, they really wrap this thing up. So maybe I'll pause the video and unwrap this really quickly. So yeah, I'll be right back. Oh, there's the model number if you're interested. Before I take the tag off, where did it go? Model AM132M-LB. And like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to this watch as well. Alright, so I managed to get all of that plastic off. Actually, you know what? I just realized I didn't get it off the crown here. Anyway. Yeah, you know what? I need to pause it again. Alright, now I think I got everything off of this. So, very well protected in shipping here. So, we do have a butterfly clasp here. Not my favorite thing. Oh. Especially the butterfly clasp where you have to put in one side first and then you can do the other side. So, make sure you put that side down first and then you can follow it up with that side. That blue stuff gets all over the place and it's kind of a hassle to peel off, but looks like it did a good job of protecting the crown. It is a screw down crown. This is a sapphire crystal, at least according to the case back. So that should be date change. Yep, there we go, counterclockwise to change the date. Pull the crown all the way out for hacking, setting the time. So let me know what you think of this watch so far. I think it's going to be a little bit big for my wrist, but that's okay. Not everyone has a small 6.5-inch wrist like I do. Polished center links, looks to be solid end links and solid links. and they look to be held in by friction pins. At least that is what the arrows on here would indicate to me, showing you which direction to push the pins out. Take a look at the case back in a moment here. Come on, focus. Yeah, I'm almost certain those are split pins. So anyway, there's the case back. You can see right there it says sapphire. The 20 ATM, so 200 meter water resistance, 20 atmospheres. All stainless steel. An automatic 24 joules. Then BERNY, and there's a model number again, AM132M. Alright, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So it is a screw down crown, non-signed. See here, I need to push this side down first. And this side, of course, I'll need to size the bracelet. You know what, I might size it here. I don't know if I have enough, if I'm going to be able to remove enough links to get it down to my size. So I will try that real quick. I'll pause the video and then I'll check back in here in a moment. But there we go. Male center link, so it does stick out farther than the watch case. I do like that dial color. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it and it really does help me out. And let me pause the video and see if I can size this real quick. Well, I was wrong. I did need to leave one link in, so this is it on my 6.5 inch wrist with one link. Just use the block and the little hammer thingy here. Little, I don't know what you want to call this, watchmaker hammer, I don't know, but yeah, just use that and a pin and push them out. Here's a look at the links. I would like if the links were a little bit smaller. It's not going to be that easy to get a perfect fit, seeing as how you have the butterfly clasp here. And I keep finding myself wanting to put that one in first, but that's not going to work because you need to put in that side first and then this side here. But anyway, here it is on my 6.5 inch wrist with a 52mm wristband. I'm going to guess the lug to lug on these male links is longer than 52. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below for this watch and also to the Watch Wit channel. So go check them out and tell them that I asked you to stop by. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.